Snoring is a problem caused by the tongue. When you snore, the noise levels you make can reach up to 90 decibel, the same as sleeping next to a demolition hammer. It should therefore not come as any surprise when you don't feel well rested the next morning. There are usually two causes for snoring. Firstly, your tongue falls back into your throat, or secondly, your breathing is not correct. Imagine your oral cavity as space. There are special conditions in space in terms of low atmospheric pressure, for example. Imagine that your tongue, your lips, your soft palate, and your throat are planets, and these planets are kept in place by the low atmospheric pressure all around them. Of course, the planets are only kept in place when you're breathing correctly and the tongue is in the correct position. If that is not the case, the pressure changes, and the whole mouth solar system falls apart, and everything crashes into each other. Hurricanes bring even more chaos. By blowing the debris from the broken planets against each other and all around space, this causes harsh sounding noises, also known as your snoring. When it gets really chaotic and intense, and all of the system falls apart, this can lead to skipping a breath, so-called apnea, which is really not a nice feeling, we know. So how can Kieferfreund help you to stop snoring? Kieferfreund teaches you the right breathing techniques and tongue resting position to maintain the correct pressure in your mouth. This is a bit like the low atmospheric pressure for the planets. With the help of our audio training, you'll be able to maintain this even during your sleep. So say hello to calming nights and energy-filled days.